Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to soft reset your iPhone XR. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off. Once you see the Apple logo, you can let go. Continue to hold. Subscribe to the channel guys and drop a like on the video if this has helped you out. Alright, you can let go. And there you guys go, your phone has been soft resetted.